XRP is going to break out, it's going to record highs, it's going to new all-time highs. They can't stop what's coming. You see it everywhere on YouTube and also on Twitter. But I think that XRP is one of the worst investments in the crypto world that you can do. And in this video, I explain why. Hey, nice that you're watching to a new video again. My name is Corne and on this channel I will share everything about crypto, my knowledge, news, technical analysis and whatever it is that I like about crypto. So do you like crypto as well? Learning stuff about crypto? Like this video. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel and place a comment to let me know what you think about XRP. Like I said, you see videos and Twitter posts, you see it on Instagram everywhere about XRP, that XRP is going to explode, but you see this content for 4 years already. And if we look to XRP on the chart, you see that for like 4 years, basically, well, since May 2022, we're around the same price of 50 cents. We're always around 50 cents. So would you have invested in April 2022? Then you would still have the same amount of money at this moment. Even if you would have invested in June 2018, you would have had the same amount of money at this moment if you didn't sell when XRP did spike a little bit, because we have seen some positive moments for XRP, but it was always either debunked or it wasn't true or it wasn't that positive in the end, and we went back to 50 cents again. What you see on the chart, and this is the weekly chart, is that we form a massive symmetrical triangle. Yes, it would be bullish if we break out on the upside, because then the price targets would be at least, I think, the old all-time high. It's around $3, which will be enormous for XRP to reach it, because I think that XRP wouldn't reach a lot of highs in the next coming bull run if nothing changes in the short term. Because, and I would like to show you this, the fate of Ripple remains in the hands of the courts as the battle with the SEC continues. And this has been like this for years and years and years. It's the battle of Ripple against the SEC, and it seems like there's just no end. The upcoming appeal deadline on October 7th, which is today, could trigger significant changes in XRP price. Many investors are closely watching how this will affect the overall market. Exchanges like Whitebit and Binance are already preparing for potential XRP market volatility. It's a perfect time for active traders to keep an eye on these developments. If you look at the daily, you see the same price action basically every single day, and we're just hovering between the 40 cents and between 60, maybe sometimes $70 cents. It's like super boring, and you almost can say that XRP is a stable coin by now. This is also important. So Ripple news, will the SEC and Ripple settle during the 14-day appeal period? The SEC made an appeal against the ruling of the court, so they go against it again. So the court case is continuing again, but some people expect that there could be a settlement during the 14-day appeal period, but this settlement on short term has been mentioned for millions of times now already. They could come at the settlement, it's gonna be over, XRP is gonna win, settlement. You know, you've seen it everywhere, and that's the whole problem with XRP at this moment. The SEC's appeal against Judge Torres' decision has been registered with the US Court of Appeals. This appeal challenges aspects of the July 2023 ruling favoring Ripple, which clarified XRP's classification outside securities regulations for programmatic sales. This was bullish for XRP, and you have seen in July 2023, well, we can go to the chart, July 2023, it was this day where XRP did blow up with 100% to almost $1, and then immediately came down to the same price again, like it always does. So if you didn't sell at that point, if you weren't at the charts at that point, if you didn't have orders in at that point, you would still have the same amount of money. You wouldn't have made any profit here. And what this person says is that Ripple can reach a settlement with SEC during the 14-day period following the notice of appeal. The SEC wants more money and appealed against the 125 million. 125 was what XRP or what Ripple had to pay according to the judge, but the SEC thinks it needs to be more. However, former SEC lawyer Mark Fagel weighed in to clarify, stating the appeal is not about the penalty amount, and there is no realistic base of a settlement in this case. That's why you need to take everything with a grain of salt, because what everyone says on X or on YouTube, most of it is just wrong. Most of them have a lot of backs in XRP. They want you to buy XRP. They want as much liquidity as possible, and they want the price of XRP to move. That's why most of them promote XRP. Will Ripple cross appeal? Lawyer Bill Morgan responded to a tweet clarifying that the SEC has filed only a notice of appeal, not a formal appeal. This indicates that the SEC may still negotiate with Ripple and potentially reach a settlement before moving forward with a formal appeal. So it is possible, okay? The potential is there. Discussing the potential for settlement, the Post explained that within the 14-day period following the notice, both parties could settle, which would cancel the appeal. And this will be very bullish for XRP and Ripple. If they settle, nice. This will be bullish. My bags would also pump. Yes, I have a bag of XRP. I bought it years and years ago and I haven't bought ever since. Morgan agreed, saying that while the settlement was always an option, the ideological gap between the SEC and Ripple, especially given the SEC stance on crypto, because SEC is very negative and super harsh on crypto, so it wouldn't be likely, because of the enormous gap between Ripple and the SEC, that a settlement would be done. So it makes a settlement very unlikely, like they say. And if you look at the chart, if you look at the news, which is almost always the same, settlement, XRP win, settlement, win, lose, you know, this news has been here for 4 years at least already, and nothing ever changes. Even the price doesn't change. So people that keep continue and buying XRP still have the same amount of money in XRP. There's no profit whatsoever that they made in this coin, and there's thousands of other coins that do move up on a daily basis where you can make money. So if you need to allocate your money, I would say I would put it in other coins that actually move instead of XRP that remains stable around 50 cents, what you see for years already. So like I said, since 2018. That's why I think XRP is one of the worst investments of this moment. You don't know if there's a settlement that is going to come in the case. You don't know if they're going to win. You don't know if they would actually blow up if this happens. There's a lot of ifs and you don't know the outcome of that. So I think XRP is one of the worst investments. What do you think of XRP and my opinion about it? Let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I see you in the next one. Adios.